Hi, this is Frieder, again talking to you from Bournemouth University campus. I'm a part-time computer science student from Germany working at the GK Software SE. I was sent to Bournemouth to participate in the first project supported by the EU as part of the Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme. Within this program, the first project focuses on virtual factories and their interoperation for supporting business innovation. In my opinion, virtual factories are the next logical step in the Industrial Revolution. As I grew up during the same decade the internet matured, I experienced how the world became much smaller. Opposed to my parents' generation, we are now able to talk to a lot more people, have access to much more information, and lots of customized products, many of them available on demand. Talking to each other became much easier thanks to technology, but often there are still challenges in understanding the language and culture of our peers. The production industry and factories underwent a similar evolution through digitalization. To keep up with new demands and increasing globalization, manufacturers need to collaborate more efficiently. This is happening in three steps. First, smart factories are already becoming able to collect more granular data by utilizing IoT devices. Second, digital factories are able to analyze the data and improve production processes and make them easier to adapt and customize. Now, virtual factories are the next step. The framework developed within the first project makes it easier for companies to create a common language to share information about their processes, capabilities, and coordinate more efficiently overall. This not only brings new business opportunities, but also saves a lot of energy and resources. You can find more information about that online at h2020first.eu. Thanks.